Austin, Texas. Kate Cox, a two-person mother in Texas, became pregnant again in August, but shortly after learning the destructive news her baby has a fatal condition and will be dead shortly after birth, or it is likely to die. Tragic conditions. 31-year-old Cox for women in United States, which changes the landscape against abortion bans to center of an unprecedented challenge. Cox, a 20-week pregnant, considering case of Texas Supreme Court, under narrow exceptions to state of state will not be legally aborted. The case has made a similar challenge since then. Roe V. Hamile Kentucky. When our customer's life is on the line, the state of Texas plays inferior political games. Who is Kate Cox? Cox lives in the Dallas region with her husband, two children aged 3 and 1. Both pregnancies were not easy. According to the case filed in Austin this week, he had cesarean surgery for both births. In October, doctors said that Cox was at high risk for a situation known as Trisomy 18. Very high or dead birth, low survival rates. He says that he has been going to the emergency room at least 4 times, and how long his pregnancy takes, more risks when he lasts. Doctors said Cox, encouraging labor or moving baby to term can endanger ability to have another child in future. Why does Texas say he doesn't have an abortion? Paxton, Chief Public Prosecutor Republican Texas, said that Cox did not meet needs of a medical exception within scope state ban. The ban of Texas does not make any exception for fetal abnormalities. There is no new statistics about frequency termination of fetal anomalies in the USA, but experts say it is a small percentage total procedures. Texas legislature did not think that the courts had done or leave gates to obtain abortion. Has Texas permitted abortion since the prohibition entered into force? Under the prohibitions of Texas, the doctors who provide abortion may face criminal charges that punish him in prison. In addition, they may encounter lawsuits from private citizens who have the authority to sue person who helps a woman to receive abortion, like doctors' staff. According to the state health data, less than 50 women in Texas have taken abortion in Texas since the prohibition came into force last year. Under banned Texas, it has become one of the biggest legal questions since overthrow Roefends. A decision in this case is probably months. What about Kentucky case? Hours before Texas Supreme Court's Cox's case on Friday, an 8-week pregnant woman in Kentucky demanded the right to abortion in the state court. Unlike Cox's case, the Kentucky case searches for a class movement status to include pregnant or other women who want to do abortion.